Yeah, I just wanted to play around with some Python stuff and also check whether my Emacs config is working decently at the moment. Um, right. So yeah, one thing that I wanted to do was do a simple menu. Uh, project.tomo and usually, to be honest, I don't remember this from. Ooh, wait. The screen capture is gone. Okay, now it's better. Right. Yeah. Okay, works fine. Yeah, the difference in setting. You know what? Let's just put a white theme. Um, oh, why is the documentation not available? Let me try this one. This is maybe too light. No. It's pretty weird that I don't see the documentation. Last time the documentation for all of them was available. Huh. Wow, this palette is really some. Um. Okay. This is probably a little bit better, right? Melissa. No, I don't like this one. Triolite. Hey, no, not really. I've been using Emacs well, on and off for some years, like probably 4, 5, but constantly, like my main editor, especially in the last, I would say 2 years. I don't, I try not to use anything else. So yeah, and I was just checking out these new. I don't know if they're new, but if they're not new, they were recently updated. These themes from Prot, and there's this one that's really cool, called Dream. This is my favorite so far, but I wanted to switch to something a little bit lighter because otherwise, when I switch from this window to this window, I will always be like blasted by the difference, right? So that's not good. So it's either all dark or all light. So I rather go symbiosis. No, no. This is this could work maybe. Yeah, yeah. So they were updated indeed. Yeah, I really like it. Like this one is it looks very good with well basically with anything. I don't have any files open, but I can open one of the Go files. Like, yeah, it's really nice. I don't know, I like it. I like it very much. It's a little bit like the Katpuchin themes that I also like a lot, but better. So but let's go back to the PyProject.toml and just let's choose a theme that will basically mess up my circadian rhythm. Yes, I think this one. Maybe this one? No, okay, Dualite. Yeah. I like the fact that there's even a blue in there. Reverie. Reverie. Whoa, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. It's not too, too much of a punch, like the blue on top of that almost white. I like this. So, are you an Emacs user as well? Are you here from the Emacs Mastodon server? I believe we I believe we oh man, sorry. Well, I hope you can get some sleep. I can understand the pain of not sleeping, like happens to me as well quite often. Yeah, it can get pretty bad, like sometimes when you don't have sleep for a long time. Um, yeah, and also with the season changing, like the temperature all gets messed up. Right. So this project name is probably good. We need a version. And then, yes, we can create it. Then we need dependencies. I think it's project dot dependencies. And right. Oh, no, it's just a part of project. But I think you can also put them optional. Yeah, that's the optional dependencies. So let's just do dependencies. And let's just add pywrite. Pywrite and debug py also need, and I would say the menu. So for the menu, Python simple terminal menu, simple term menu. Yeah, this one. I really like this one. I use it a lot. Nice. Let's try to bootstrap bootstrap our project. And we can bootstrap this version 12. No, we don't want to use poetry. So let's check if there's local was created. I will say no for now because I need to update this. And change it so that it will use Python mode only. It will do the switch only with in Python mode or Python TS mode. All right. I need to set up the project as well. I can use this and do this, and now it's set, and it's here. Nice. Nice. So seems like ready to go. We can try to main.py. Yes. So right, what I want to do is use this smart menu, and basically using the menu, I want to integrate it with enums to give options, because I think it's one of the cool things of doing that is that you can basically define a whole menu with a set choice just by using enums. It's easier to maintain, and it's also nicer to just look at, right? From enum port enum. And so what can this menu be of or about? Let's see. We can make it about magic card type, if you guys like Magic the Gathering. So that's probably, yeah, that's probably it. So magic card type, and we can have different types of cards. We can have swamp, right? We can do swamp, and plain. Is it plains? Plains, forest, forest, plains, forest, island, island, island. What's the non-color one? Well, there's mountain, right? Red mountain, and non-color. Non-color will be for now. Okay, so we have these. We can do main. Main. And Yeah. And we can basically try to use this together with the enum to have ourselves some options. Yep. So we can actually do something even more elaborate, like because you can provide these patterns, and so you only have to press A, B, or whatever. We can actually do something like this, maybe. Yeah, let's try to do this. Yeah, sure. Okay, so these will be the cards, right? And these are the options. Can I get some auto import? Do I have to suffer? Yes, I have to suffer. From small. Is it small? Ooh. Simple, not small. Simple. I think I need to restart EGOT. Simple. I still don't get the completion. Am I in the right environment? I will work on file menu, eglot. Okay. Oh man, this is pretty annoying. Yeah. Yeah, the beauty of virtual environments. It cannot be resolved. Oh, I know why. Which pip, right? Pip install e. Not a problem with pip. You know what? Let's just make a requirements file. And let's just get these here. Replace this with nothing. No, actually, I wanted to install the dependencies from the project dependencies. So if you specify them here, it should be able to install them. So I'm not sure why it would complain. If you use -e period, right, current directory. Yeah. I usually try not to keep up and just Google my way through it. It's probably every time the best option. Configuration error. Oh, you see, the project version must be PEP8. What did I put? Oh man, this is really not any kind of versioning system, is it? So right. Yeah. PyProject is the new way, at least for the next year. Then you never know. Like, yeah, you never know. Oh, see, now it's going. And now we're installing from the project.toml. We're not installing from the requirements file. Yeah, Semver. Yeah, no, it's PEP 404 something, PEP 440, which is different from Semver, I believe. I'm not sure. we said pep port 0. No, we can say versus Semver, and oh, there's even a Google Groups debacle. I recently stumbled over Semver versus. Okay, yeah, so yeah, so it's one of those things that, you know, people sometimes have like discussions about, but yeah, I just I just want to get stuff done, so as long as I can get stuff done, I'm fine. Vibin, let's try to what should we do? We should reload the virtual environment so that now we have the dependencies, and restart the LSP. LSP restarted. Did it work? Yes, it worked. Although it's gonna complain about can't find implementation. What was that? Oh, the library stubs. But is it fine? Is it not fine? I think it's fine. Let's complain about this. This goes here. Yes, please. Yes. Right. So this is fine. Right. And we want to use this, the enum, for our choices, right? So we can make a nice little function and call it menu from enums, and we just take a magic card type, right? Right. Actually, we can make it very generic, right? We can just get an enum, and we can just go through all of the enum values, right? So we can probably just do that and then build ourselves the menu, right? So we can call them menu options, and the menu options are going to be this is E, are going to be E. Where's that called? Map. Map. Values. Help me. Can I do this? Yeah. Member map, value to member map. So I get this is a dictionary of any, you know, yes, I want this. Or we could also just yeah, value to member map. So we just do this. And we just want the keys, which will be the values. Sounds counterintuitive, right? So we do this. We have our menu options from the values. We could also do it from the keys, right? Still fine. So then we can have we can make a terminal thing with just that list, but I also want the options, right? So I want not only to have the options like that, like bare bone, but with the letter. Each enum has a different letter. That's a big assumption to make if we want to make it generic. So what we're gonna do is just iterate through them, and menu options will be uh, 0, right? Right? I'm still getting used to the brackets. It's not easy. It's not easy. So, okay. Do we want it like this? No, we actually want it in between square brackets. Like this. For I in menu options. We can call this menu options with buttons, right? Very well. Not sure what second menu options do. So this one, I'm just trying to make it like this, so that I have this. Let's call it like button. And if you have this in a simple term menu, if you have this pattern, then you can just press A when you get the menu, and that's just gonna work. So I think like that we have them. We can also print them. New options button, and then we can just make our menu value, and we can get this menu title mtg cart type, right? Actually, we can pass it as a title string, right? Title. Right. And this is going to be menu options, W buttons. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Okay, we have the value. What do we do with this? We just print it. Actually, no. This is a good way to like get from a user an input, but we still want to use the enum, right? So we can just do this and return this, right? Because we pass a type enum. Why is this? Oh, yeah. Sorry. Yes. So you will see that I struggle with these 4 keys, and yeah. After more than a month, I thought I would finally be proficient with this keyboard, but still takes time. Very well. Print menu options. We don't need it here because in our main, what we will do is just menu from enums magic card type. Is this correct? Or is it not correct? Oh, the title. MTG card type. Nice. So we get the value, and card type. Card type is going to be printed. All right, let's fire up term. Yes, sure. Which Python? Yes, I think it's the correct one. Mind test game? Hmm, what do you mean by that? Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah. Are you a mind test player? Because I used to play. I also used to try and mod it in Lua, which can be pretty fun, right? I usually like messing around with Lua, although I haven't touched Lua in I don't know how long. Probably more than a year. So probably even 2 years. Yeah. Okay. Find local pie menu. Right. So yeah, it's pretty nice. It's a pretty nice game. Yeah, it runs almost anywhere. I remember that I was running the Mindtest server on a Raspberry Pi 3. So and it was working well for like for two people for sure. I don't know if I ever played on it with more than two people though. But yeah, yeah. Why not? Eventually, I'm currently playing some RPGs. There are more like strategy turn-based games. Let's see. Main. Whoa, what's this? Do we have an error? Return email. It's not a. Oh, I think the issue might be that I cannot do this with the term in Emacs, the menu thing. Is that the case? Am I missing something? Oh, that's what I'm missing. The show. Yes. Silly me. Ah, there it is. Looks kind of ugly in with this theme and the cursor just standing there. But yeah, what if I do P for planes? I just killed it. Value 1 is not a valid magic card type. Whoa. Okay. This is not good. So it means that that returns a number. So if it returns a number, what we have to do is, can I use rectangle mode? No. I want to use rectangle mode. How was it? No. Is it like this? No, it's not like this. Rectangle mode. Now I'm in a rectangle mode. I don't use it often, so right. And what do I want to do? I want to do auto, right? Right. Can I rough format this buffer? No, no, I cannot because I don't have rough. We can install rough. Rough, and we need to put a comma here, maybe a comma here as well. Install dash e period. Come on. Come on. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't result to be in a project. Oh, right, because I don't have, I haven't initiated a Git repository. That's right. Right, let's try to um, um, uh, de deactivate and I have reactivated and nice, got it. Import auto, nice, and now we have to change this because we don't use the value. What can we use? What can we use? Member names. Is this a list? Member names. No. Member names, right? Suspicious state. Oh yeah, because I don't have MyPy installed, but I don't want to install it right now. Let's just put it here for the future. This one I don't need. eShell. eShell? eShell? Did I close eShell? I closed eShell. Oh, but this is not gonna run in eShell, only in term. So yes, Python main Swamp Plains, right? Now it's yelling, right? The project switching program? Oh, eat. What is eat? Now you guys are making me curious. Eat seems to replace term well. Yes, but it's faster. Oh, the project switching program? I'm switching projects just with the project.l, which is the built-in project management thing for navigation for Emacs. So it's just Control X PP. Maybe let's exit from here. Control X P P, and you can go across your project. So it's pretty good. I also used to have project tab mode that basically creates a tab dedicated to each project, right, automatically. It's pretty good, but I was also trying activities.l and they do not work quite well together. So oh no, the floating window. No, no, oh no. The floating window is pause frame. So if you want to set it up, wait, we can actually go there. Pause frame. So you just take it here and then pause frame somewhere. I use it with vertical. Yeah, you have to use vertical pause frame. And then I have this setup that I just copied from a guy on GitHub. Yeah, you can find the gist. This is the gist. I can actually put it. Can I put it in the chat from here? Oh no, man, I cannot right now. But yeah, if you search for just vertical pause frame gist, this thing will pop up, like, because this guy has basically made this setup for this whole thing that works quite well. I actually had it so that it would pop up in different places based on the window layout. but when you have multiple windows, it becomes a little bit, I don't know. So in the end, I just put it on the top because it's unlikely that I want to see anything on the top, right? Yeah. Sorry, when I start talking about configurations, I just start and then there's no. No. It's not from him. I like his themes though. The Nano theme, it's pretty amazing. So I like his stuff. But no, this is literally just. I was looking to find something to have floating menus with pause frame and vertical, and I just stumbled upon this stuff. All right, let's close this tab and let's get back here. So now this should work. So I'm told. Python main. Fine. Can I choose one? Can I choose one? Let's choose swamps. Okay, I'm about to cry. 0 is not valid. Wow. Wait, how was it? Like this? Yeah. When you use term, the C does the work of the X, which always boggles me. So, yeah, let's try to figure out this thing of the. This is a type. Oh. Oh. Is it because I have, I think I have to do this. And no, I don't have to do that. Why isn't it valid type? 0 is not a valid type. If I use auto, this should be 0, right? That's what auto does. No? Uh, auto instances or players are proper value members. Defaults to lowercase. Okay. While other enums default, so this should default to 1, to 0. Maybe starts at 1. No. Enum default to 1 and increase from. Oh man, you're right. This is like Lua or R. Yeah. Oh man. This is not right. This is not right. So value plus 1. Oh man, I feel so guilty doing this. I feel so guilty. This is an integer, don't worry. Although this terminal menu says that it returns expression of type int tuple int. Come on. You're going to who's complaining? Pyrite. Can I do a type ignore? This gonna work? Yes, thanks. So yeah, I saw it. Yeah, I saw it. I saw it. I read your message, then I looked again here and I saw default to 1. And I was like, what? Why? Like why? I want to know why. there's probably a lot of back and forth in some forums. Okay, let's go back to term, swamp. Oh man, now it works. We get the type that we wanted. Pretty good, pretty nice. I feel pretty good. So, right. So yeah, I think I mainly wanted to achieve this. This is gonna be a magic card type. I need to return a magic card type. And oh no, wait, an enum. And this is gonna be an enum, although I know that it's gonna be a magic card type. Yeah, painful. I don't think you can make it generic like this without why is it still assign never used card type. So yeah, this is annoying. Like you can make it generic, but either you make it specific where you just pass the specific enum, or you make it generic and then the return cannot be, or can it? Well, you could make wrapper functions, right? So to mtg type, something like to mtg, something like this, where you get an enum, right? And you know that, you know, it's just for the sake of making type hinting shut up, right? And return, but this is not gonna shut up. Yeah, that's some wrapper. I'm not sure how you would wrap this though, to have this happen as I want. Maybe I can do something like magic card type to E if is instance. Although the rule of thumb, and I think it's kind of true, is when you use is instance, it's already too late. Something like that. Yeah, but then it's gonna say no, this is something is always going to complain here, right? Something is always going to complain here. Yeah. Oh, but yeah, maybe I can get around it like that. Maybe I can do magic card type. Can I do this? Can I do this? Yeah, let's do 0 value. And then argument of type enum cannot be assigned to parameter. Oh, really? You cannot do is instance with enums? Is instance enum. Oh, is and so many rules just because nobody wanted a compiler. So much boilerplate. Or maybe I am wrong because I am trying to do things like if there were a compiler and I should just give up. I should just, just make a regex to delete anything after the colon. Yeah, or you should do something like that. Yeah. So what is this? So this guy is making a transaction types. Okay. So, and he's doing just, oh, check if it's a subclass of enum. Test this. Is instance. I don't think I get it. I don't think I get it. So I have this. This is already instantiated, right? Can I do this subclass? Or am I... Oh man! What a noob! I'm a noob. See, you never end being a noob. I guess making the menu function generic will always strip simple object system types. It won't be logical to different enums or subclasses. Yeah. Yeah, that is true. Variable A is assigned but never used. Yeah, no, look at me. Oh man, I made it happy. Now it's happy. You see? You just have to curse and bang your head a little to have things not being highlighted red in Python. So that's nice, right? We feel good about this. So now I can do that. This is a magic card type, and yeah, we also have to use it. So 2mtg, right? And let's see, I will obviously choose a different one for, oh no, man, I was about to make a mistake, you see? Oh, but this is, yeah, I was about to make a mistake because it starts from 1. Hahaha. You didn't get me this time, Lua. So Python main, and let's choose a island, and it works. Oh man, this is satisfying. Yeah, this is more satisfying than like making a whole project, like making a whole REST API or whatever gRPC service. having this type check in all checkout, it's much better. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Maybe I don't have those emojis. I don't know how to set that up. Yeah. A magic the card type trick, I would say. Uh, just to keep it on topic. Nice, nice, very well. Yeah, I didn't expect it to go that well. Now it's very good. It works. Now you just need the function for every type of enum that you make that you want to use for a menu. So it becomes a lot of boilerplate. But hey, maybe we can we can make a generic one out of this. You know, we can make a generic one out of this. Yeah. Okay. All right. I want to check that thing that you guys mentioned. You guys mentioned eat. That's like eShell. I actually want to check that out because I think that's I'm done with the enums for at least a couple of months. So let's go to package install packages. No, package install package. Package install package list packages. Yeah, list packages. Eat. Wait, I think it was still, yeah. Eat. Eat. No. No. Oh. Eat. Oh, it's on Codeberg. Let's see if I can check it out. Sure. While it loads, um, its name self-explanatory. Emulate a terminal. That's usually what I think. Hey, welcome back. That's usually what I think of. Oh, Codeberg is down. Am I gonna be able to install? Oh man, yeah. Am I gonna be able to install this? It is a terminal emulator. It can run most, if not all, full-screen terminal programs. Including Emacs, it's pretty fast. More than 3 times faster than Term, despite being implemented entirely in Emacs Lisp. So fast that you can comfortably run Emacs inside EAT. That's something that I would like to do. Or even use your Emacs as a terminal multiplexer. Nice. It has many features that other Emacs terminal emulators still don't have. For example, Sixel support. I don't know what Sixel is. Complete mouse support. Oh, that's nice. Shell integration. Nice. It flickers less than other Emacs terminal emulator. Oh, okay. I never noticed eShell flickering. But term, yes. Term, yes. So you get more performance and a smoother experience. To get the most out of EAT, you should also set up shell integration. Okay. Let's try it. Why not? Alpaca will try Emacs mirror. Yeah. Well, it installed. Right. It's installed. So let's look at the usage. Let's start it here. So let's do it here. Eat. Okay. Yeah, this already, I don't know why, it already feels snappier than... Oh, let me check if the PyEnv is working as expected. PyEnv versions. Yes, this is really good. Like how the output comes out, it's really smooth. I like it. Okay, I'm probably already sold. Only if I can run my awesome CLI. Can I run my CLI? Yeah, it even runs better than on term because I don't get the cursor just hanging around. Oh man, this is really good. Can I choose a mountain? Yes. So then it's fine. How's the key binding now? Is it like term that I have to do this? No? Oh man, I should have. Sorry guys, I will use the mouse. eShell isn't term emulator. Oh, uh, it is not. I thought that it was, but okay, that's fine. I only like eShell because I've spent quite some time like customizing it, and so I kind of grew attached to it. But you know, uh, this thing feels way snappier and seems way better. So let's look at some of the things that we can do. Semi-charm mode, semi-character, right? Semi-character mode. This is default input mode. Most keys are bound to send key to the terminal. Okay, except the following keys. Send next key to the terminal. Like yank, but send the text to the terminal. Like yank part, send the text to the terminal. Kill process. So if I do like, oh yeah, right. I can see all of that, right? What if I do with X? Oh, it's just my personal key binding to swap windows that does not work. The rest is fine. I like this as well. Nice. Switch to Emacs input mode, car input mode, line input mode. No special key bindings except the following. Car input mode. Oh, okay. Wait, what does it mean? Let me try. Let me switch to Emacs mode. So this will be like this. Can I now? Yeah. Oh, nice. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry, guys. I just got mesmerized by this mode. Like this mode, this thing that you can change mode, and then you have all of your key bindings available again. Well, almost, unless you have one of those for set. Line mode, similar to comment, shell mode, and term line mode. In this input mode, terminal input is sent one line at once. You can edit input line. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. This is also pretty nice. If you like eShell, then there is a good news for you. It integrates with eShell. It has two global minor modes for eShell. Visual command mode. Run visual commands with. Wait, what? Run visual commands with eat instead of term. Okay. Eat eShell mode. Run eat inside eShell. After enabling this, you can run full screen terminal programs directly in eShell. Maybe I should look into this since I like eShell. You have the above input, but I don't have. Wait, why is it read only? What if I want to go back to? Right. Can I evaluate stuff? Oh no. Message. Hello. Although this may be like, yeah. Visual is TY. Yeah. So I can run stuff like probably like htop, right? You can add any of these. eShell load hook for eShell mode. To set up shell integration for new bash, put the following at the end of your bash. Well, I gotta say, it's pretty cool. I wonder how much you can customize. No, wait. What did I want to search? Yeah, customize variable eat backup term name buffer name issue mode enable mouse. Oh man, blink mode. Let's see. Customize group eat. Well, guys, this is pretty cool. I think I will spend some time trying to customize it. Htop flies in